Yo, what is up, friend? How you doing? So you want to go ahead and change the font size of your product title if you're using the DAWN theme. So this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you exactly how you can change the font size of your product title. All right. Now let's go ahead and do this. And what you want to do is you want to come to your online store. All right. Then you want to come to themes just like this. All right. And you want to scroll down, come here. You want to possibly you want to search for the DAWN theme. It might be your default theme already. So, but right here, I'm just going to go ahead and pick the DAWN theme, and I'm going to click on edit theme, or yours can be customized, whichever one. So you just click on it. All right. And once that is loaded, all right, you want to go ahead and click on this, home page. All right, click on the drop down. Then you want to click on products. Okay. Then you got to go ahead and click on the default product. All right. And right here, I'm just going to use this as an example. All right. And you can see the seamless launch set. This is the title here. So let's say I want to increase this. What I'm just going to do, all right, is that I'm going to come here to the theme settings. All right. So you want to come to the theme settings here, and you want to scroll down to the custom CSS. All right. And after doing that, you're going to paste a short code here, which I'm going to give to you. And right here is the code. All right. So you can see the code here, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this. So I'm going to give you a link to this code, or possibly just paste it in the description. So you just check out the description. You're going to see the code link, or maybe the code there. And I'm going to head back to my Shopify customized page here. I'm going to paste the font. All right. So right here, you can see it's 42 pixels. So if I increase it to 420 pixels, you see that it's too much. But if I make it maybe 32 pixels, all right, it's gonna reduce. So you just have to change the pixels so you can see. All right. So this is very important in case you are, you want to optimize for mobile version. Okay. You can see now that once I optimize for mobile, it's actually on the straight line. All right. So this is how you can go about doing this. All right. So all you just need to do is to keep changing the pixel to whatever number. All right. So if it's 50, okay, it will be very much bigger. You can see it's much bigger, and that is how you can go about this. All right. So, but maybe you want to make it 25. So it's much smaller, right? And also, in case you want to change the font, okay, all you have to do is to scroll up, all right? So once you're done with it, just click on save, and you're good to go, all right? And in case you want to change the font, you can just easily come here, okay, to this theme settings, all right? Then come to typography, and right here, which is the headings, the font, you can easily just click that, and you can change the font to whatever it is, all right? So maybe I want to change it to Abril. You can see it's changed, all right? So whatever you want to change it to, because some people do ask me that question, then Maverick, how can I go about this? But this is exactly how you can do it, all right? So you can change it to Bagger, okay, fat one, and it's going to do that, all right? And you can go ahead and click on select, and it's going to select, all right? And if it's the body, you can also do that by changing the font to that, right? So this is how you can go about, changing or increasing or decreasing the font size, okay, of your product title in your DAWN theme, and also how you can change the fonts to another type of font in your Shopify DAWN theme. All right. So this is how you go about doing this. And if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this in this channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.